Just unboxing a Thunder XC BC1 chair. I need a chair for my so-called office, my garage. Back's killing me, so let's see what this is like. Okay, what's inside it? Some levers and stuff. I think it's a 3 levers. I don't know, it's a number of levers put down like that. Some instructions. Some bolts. That's quite good that they tie that in so you can't say that you lost it. I've got an M6 somewhere on a torque driver, so I'll probably get that out. What is there? An armrest, I'll put that down here. Another armrest. These normally fall off the things. What else we got? The bulk of the chair. Let me just pause this and take this out. Hang on. Actually, I'll just put it on the floor. There's a base, looks pretty. Oh, the wheels. Okay, there's wheel holes, that looks good. I need that. Another little box of stuff, that might be the casters. This could be handy for other things. A seat. And a back bit. One person reviewer said it stinks. It doesn't stink that bad. Is that everything? Yeah, that's all that lot. Okay, what I'll do is I'll start to get on with the pieces. Okay, what's in here? The wheels and the central part. That's quite heavy. So I won't read the instructions, but my guess is that those bottom bits go on. Probably wet them in first, and then I guess that goes in the middle. I'll start to read instructions because I think I'll put it a different way to find out. So the actual size of the hexes are 5mm, and I got one there, so that's handy. So these things just push in. I say that a bit one-handed. Yeah, you can. That's good. And the instructions said to do this bit first, so we'll do that now. It pushes in. Then there's some sort of then the armrests go on. And the L's go on, which there's nothing there that says L, but anyway, we'll put them in. Let's do that now. So the way I'm doing is I'm putting these side pieces in first, and I've already pinned a little bit of that, so let's just put it in like that. Oh, that's not going in the right place. Hang on. Okay, get your screw in the right place first. Right, let it go partially and then put the next screw in to line it up here. Oh, it's already in. But line it up with the hole, which is about there. So just get it lined up. It's helpful one of these tools because it goes in easier. Don't force it, don't over tighten it. So now we've already got those in, so this constrains here. So I'll line this up and get some bolts in here. Okay, so they're lined up, just tighten it down. Go back over here. Just a bit more there. That's it, that's pretty tight. Check those in there. Yep, that's good. That one in there. That's good. So that's that bottom bit done there. Let's just check this out for approximate. So the back won't move, which I suppose is not a bad thing because I spend most of my day dicking with the back of a chair. So now we've got to find the bottom part to go on here. Let's find that. So the bottom part was hiding in plain sight here. Take the plastic off. So it's quite nice because there's a clue. It says front there, which means that if I turn this chair on its side, then the front needs to be there, goes in there. So what they tell you to do, you see it's got a bit of play on it, put them in and square it up. So I'll just offer the bolts up and do that now. Okay, so we just tighten these in. Take it to about there. Now I'm not doing diagonal at the minute because because I haven't tightened it down yet. When I go to tighten it down, I will go diagonal. Last one there. So let's get that lined up. How do we get it lined up? Well, that's about okay, I think. Either, yeah, I suppose it's under your hand there. Look, that's the way they want it. Okay. That'll do. So let's just tighten that one in there. This one here. It's not fantastic quality hardware. You can see it already being stripped out a little bit, and this is the right size bolt. So my cheapy fastening set is harder than the bolt. That'll do. So I think that's pretty good there. So now we've got to put this thing on and drop that into the base. Let's work out which way around it goes. But yeah, there's little covers to go on over these bolt holes on the left. So we've done that bit, we've done that bit. It's taken about 10 minutes so far because I'm not very fast. I've done that bit. Yes, I've done all that stuff. I've done that already. What? It's got to be like that goes into there, then, and then that bit goes in the bottom. That makes sense to me. I will just do that. So we just pushed that bit in there, and now we've got to mate that in there. By the looks of it, let's go and do that. Okay, see what happens if I sit down in it. It should start to. Oh, it's okay. I thought it would make a more positive click. Oh, it's quite comfy. It does let you lean back. I didn't think it did. It does let you lean back. Yes, what a great belly. It does let you lean back. That's good. It's comfy. That looks good. Okay, I'm quite happy with this. Let's let you see what it looks like. The Thunder XC. That will be in my little office or in the other room. And I'll take the other chair because then I can do some work without getting whatever. Just those caps to go on now. Let's do that. So I just push in there to give it that final effect. Do one here, look. Hold it in. Push it in if I can do it. No, I can't because it's one-handed. That's it. In it goes. Just don't want to drop it down there because I'll lose it forever, yeah? Until we dig up the pat here and find out it's buried under there. Yeah. Brookside style. There we are. Another one there. And I think I'm ready to do some computing, which is what I get paid for. So I better do that on this nice sunny afternoon in England. Oh, that's gone a bit crazy. Look, I've ruined it already. Oh no, send it back. There we are. Last one goes like that. There it is. Okay, pretty good. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.